Good morning. We've just pulled anchor at Shoal Bay and we're on our way down to Marion Narrows and we're heading through the Denison Canal. So we're timing it with high tide at 12:30. When we looked at that a few weeks ago, we were very surprised at how fast the water was flowing through, and so we're not keen to get caught in anything fast because it's a 10 metre clearance and we're nearly 7 metres wide, so not a lot of clearance. Yeah, so it's a beautiful anchorage here at Shoal Bay in the deep hole. It was quite flat. We only had a little swell rolling in, but it was really good. Where are these waves come from?
Showing getting ready with all the gear out. We haven't even got we've got a camera on the mast and a camera ready to go on the side of the boat. You're quite excited about going through this.
Very shallow, very tight.
Very tight. How wide is it?
Who's driving it? Are you driving through the actual bridge or not?
I don't know, but how tight is the
So the bridge is 10 metres wide and we're almost 7 metres. So we've got 1.5 metres each side. And when we were here a few weeks ago, it was flowing at 3 to 5 knots. It was flying through. So we're trying to time the dead high so we don't have to battle the current.
So we've got everything ready just in case we want a video.
In case we panic, we can't.
Yeah, and he has claimed the whole table, by the way.
I think they'll follow up. Over.
Yeah, copy that. Not a problem. All right, thank you. We'll see you shortly. Over.
What went wrong going through the canal? Our first GoPro was mounted on the mast ready to take a time lapse. As we approached the canal, the phone app wouldn't connect to it, and rushing to climb the mast and get it started. It got changed to slow motion capture, taking high speed video. With water over the lens for most of the passage, it also stopped recording just as we approached the bridge. GoPro number 2 also changed mode. It took just a single photo at the start, recording nothing at all. And what about the drone? It had an urgent update as we waited to pass through the canal as it wouldn't take off. After believing we had fixed the problem, when we tried a second time, it refused to take off yet again. Out of the 3 cameras we wanted to use, we had a 100% failure rate. Luckily, we still had our phones and our gimbal camera to get any video at all. Hey, this is going to be hard work. Well, I've seen photos of on the beach here with people causing an avalanche. She visited the coal mines with her husband, Governor Sir John Franklin. Bold and adventurous woman. Wasn't satisfied with above ground, she explored below, writing detailed notes. Isn't that how ironic? She wasn't allowed down. 1837. So these are the convict barracks. They are crowded into 6 wards and a slab hut in the yard. Oh, are they the cells? Oh, they were the cells that you were locked in. She's pretty dark and dingy. And they had an upper level.
That seems small, that one. That must be the small person one.
Oh, jeepers. Where you are standing was the hospital and 3 huts above the solitary cells. The chapel in the centre was also used as a schoolroom. Opposite to the west are 3 more barrack huts and a bakery. Bakery? Oh, I feel like a buy. Would have been amazing here in the 1800s seeing this. Like you're going through the front door. Oh. Into solitary.
Or homosexuality. I'm fine.
That's why they shut it. Yeah, I think it's pitch black.
I'm sure your head then.
Sorry.
Oh my god. Oh, look how dark it's getting. It showed how black it was. Yes, it was still restored, 1977. Oh, Struth, got to put the light on. Yeah. You sat in here in pitch black. Oh, just the stone floor.
Military officers.
The military officers' quarters. This one was all red brick.
Having had full evidence of the deeds in the darkness perpetrated in the mines, I contemplated the naked figures faintly perceptible in the gloom with feelings of horror. They were going for it everywhere. In the mines,
In the cells.
in the cells.
It's Eaglehawk Neck, that little stretch there.
Yeah.
So, Eaglehawk Bay, I think this is. Very tight. Oh, Eagle Point. Eaglehawk Bay. Very tight spot.
Hey? Watch that boy.
I've got to be deep to this side, I reckon I'm wrong. One. Yeah, deep for 1.8.
Well, you definitely come to a dead end.